Siyempre, hindi naman natin ano yan.
Kung walang?
Ang dildo naman.
Hey darlings, it's me, the one and only, the awesomeness, and the freshness. It's me, Hey Tony. And for today's video, syempre ginaganahan tayo and it feels like I'm living in a cloud nine right now because this month is April and this month is my birth month and this month is for Aries and Taurus halfway, you know what I mean? Basically for the month of April. Ganon. Bona. So, ayun na nga. At dahil sobrang, I don't know, I just want to share what I feel because we all knew na ang lolo mo, Kwon Ji Young, ay nag-announce ng concert for Ubermensch. Latest album called Ubermensch. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam dyan at imposible namang hindi nyo alam if you are actually a GD fan. Bigla siya nag-announce, ang mga tita nyo are hindi prepared. Like, girl, biglaan kang nag-announce ng ganyan. Biglaan din yung pre-sale. In-announce niya yun ng March and pre-sale ng April. At concert is May. Talaga ba? I believe na meron silang nakaset na getaway para sa Holy Week. So another gastos ate ko. So by this time, sa Philippine Arena for the first time, yeah, can you hear that? Para lang alam mo ha, at hindi sponsored yung concert at biglaan, hindi ready ang mga badeng. Pinakamura lang na is 8,000. Sabi ko, suntok sa buwan, let's queue it. Ang haba ng queue. Tapos, 4 tickets per pax pa. So, meaning, may chance pa ba ako sa pang ilang queue ako ng 26,000? Oh. Ate, nakatulog na lang ako. Di pa rin ako nakakaano. Pagising ko, di pa rin ako nakakapasok. But then, sabi ko, hindi na ako mag-e-expect na yung desired seat ko makukuha ko. Suddenly, nakapasok ako sa queuing. Nakapasok ako sa queue. Then I told my mom, she said, gurahan ko na kasi she knows. No, she knows. She knows naman na favorite K-pop artist ko talaga si G-Dragon since the day begin. She pushed me through this na Nakshi, go na, ilabranch mo na. Total may kinikeme naman tayong keme. So, ikeme mo na. Diba? What the heck? But yeah, I got it from my mom. Yeah, ito yung ano niya, ito yung Elzum Tickets voucher. The voucher here. So ngayon, yun lang naman gusto kong sabihin. Ang haba pa ng sinabi ko, no? Samahan nyo ako to prepare myself kasi baka, di ba? Magmukha tayong kamote doon, magmukha tayong patata. So yeah, samahan nyo ako. Kunin natin yung physical tickets. Kasi minsan lang tayo lumabas, mainit pa. Bahala na si Ji Young. So yeah, haircut. As you can see, ang haba na. Haircut. Some outfit. Baka okay na lang tayo kasi syempre mahirap pag may mga kapareha ka eh. Di ba? So, mag-okay tayo para unique. Stay tuned. Stay tuned! Eto na yon. Go! Kainit. Ayan, kapalamig muna tayo dito.
Ano ba yung order ko last time?
Fruity ata kayo.
Mocha... Chocolate mocha latte. So we're here at Wealthy. May mga nagre-review so bawal tayo maingay. And pahinga lang saglit kasi sobrang init sa labas. At nagkaroon ng malfunction sa SM kaya hindi natin kagad nakuha yung ticket. Babalikan na lang natin. But for today, for this space is magpapa-haircut tayo later on after natin mag-coffee break. Nandito talaga ako para umaura. Aurahan natin yung yung barista. Yes, we're here sa ating favorite barber shop, Supremo, all the way. Dito tayo lagi nagpapagupit at pa-line up na tayo. Ito kasi yung dati ko, parang French bob cut ba yun? Something. Okay, so ganun lang ulit. Okay na. Siyempre magugutom ka, mapapagod ka, apakainit sa labas. Kain lang tayo saglit din. After this, siguro naman okay lang lahat. But anyways, I got it na. I got the ticket already. There you go. Magkakalkal tayo mamaya ng ukay. Hahanapin natin yung mga yung pasok sa criteria. Ang target nating outfit is yung sa tubad na costume na doon, which is this one. Or kung saswertehin tayo dito sa ribbon. Pero ito talaga ang target ko ngayon. Yung medyo French style lang kasi ang hairstyle natin is French bob cut. Na hindi ako sure kung French bob cut ba to. Pero thankful tayo sa Supremo kasi I like it. So we're here. We're here na sa one of the ukay place here in Monumento behind Victory Mall. Marami silang option here but our target for today is the long packing white. I think this is good. Oh my God, I think I found one. Isn't it? Oh my God. Let's see. Let's see. It's too hot. Oh my God, look at me. Punong-puno na ako ng ng sangkaputikan in my face. Yeah, right? And this one, you think this is good enough? Kasi parang hindi siya maka-close. How can I see myself? Is there some kind of mirror to see the fit? See? Kaso kita dibdib. Bugbugan sa dibdib itong atikon. Pero maganda siya. Diba? Gulo-gulo. Ang hirap talaga pag wala kang kasama. May mga technique kung paano mo titignan na mabilisan. Pag meron ka ng specific na item in your mind, isang tinginan pa lang sa mga kwelyo pa lang. Pag may nakita kang texture or whatsoever it takes, yun na kagad. Just like this. You can see this one. The blingy. Pero, alam mo naman, mainit doon. So, that's not gonna fit in you. Ay, fuck. It's a mirror. It's a mirror. Did you see that? Okay, focus. Something like this. So, we need to find sleeve. Oh, fuck. Dalawa yung hanger. May hawig. Diba? Kaso, masyadong malaki. And I don't know how to manipulate this, but it seems like good to me. Pero dun tayo. Ay, putang ina. Lagi ako naliligaw dito sa punyeta salamin na to. Lagi ako mapapaliko dyan. Ayan, hayop. Makakabasag pa talaga ako. Maong over the white. Ay, ito na naman, saan ba kadaanan? Ito, may mga maong. I brought my own fan base but I didn't use it. Tamang vlog-vlogan lang. Ay, ito! Ito tayo na, ito yung concept natin. To think of this. Yeah, right? What you think? Diba? Ang dami kong bit-bit para akong gago. Kasi magbubutos pa. Ay, hindi siya boots. Leather shoes. Okay, pasok ka na. Pasok ka na sa banga. Next! O, ayan. Same sort ulit. Ganon, titignan mo lang ulit yung mga gilid-gilid. Pagpasok sa texture, checkered na red, white, red, black. Wala tayong maaninag. Ayun, no? Pero, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God! Now, let's look at this. Look what I found, bitch. Diba? Sabi sa inyo, here's the peg. And here's what we got. Kaso, look, maliit. What you think? We finally got 2 outfits. Magagamit ko pa rin naman sa ibang show yung isa. So, it depends on me. Ganito lang tayo magpipit. So, wala makita. Wala akong hawak. Diba? Right. Tapos may maong ka dyan. Ate, pa-cash out. Pa-cash out. Ano ba to? Pa-check out. Okay lang bang mag-ikot, magkano ka lang? Okay lang mo. So, magkano kaya ang ating billing? At magagalit na naman ang ating. Bigyan mo naman akong discount. 150. 1 na lang. 1 na lang. Nakakuha pang pamata. Dito lang ito magagamit. We're already here at Philippine Arena para mag-field trip. Kita nyo yan, yung parang UFO with our fellow fam. Diba dito pa lang, pagod na ako. Wala pa akong tulog. Paano na? Really? Yo, what's up? Live update po tayo, no? Kasagsagan ng pupukpukan, purong-puro na. Purong-puro. Pupuno na. Ha? Wala pa tayong ano. Turo mo. Nakakaubusan na eh. Bilang yan, kalma. Kalma mo! So live update lang po tayo. Opo, nandito po tayo ngayon sa loob ng Philippine Arena together with a huge number of VIPs. Pam, out there. Ayan, si Kuya Security. Diba, oh. Tamang ano lang.
Hanggang zombie, no?
Hanggang zombie, oh. Para lang alam nyo, Bea. Para lang alam nyo. Hanggang dun nyo sa dulo, Bea. Hindi ko na narinig sarili ko! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Way too strong, I've got the power. Don't you want it? Hey, what am I thinking? No, I feel it like I never left. That's why I never left. Cause you will know. Okay, hey, 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 hey. They said I belong. I'm saying no. I'm saying no. They're ready to party. They're ready to rock. Here we go. When I said I would be back, and I never let you go. Think the pedal on the power, do you know? When I said I would be back, and I never let you go. Think the pedal on the power, do you know? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? If you do, you do, you do. Here we go. Let's go.